2014 BMW M6 4-door. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got downpipes on it. They did it themselves. We didn't touch it. There and there. It's got a stage 2 tune. It's got 3-inch pipe, mid resonators, X pipe, 3-inch pipe continues, hidden away all the way up there into the contraptions on each side. And then we did a rear muffler delete right there and right there. And then he brought his own tips. We put them on for him, 3-inch on each side. There and right there. M6. Just a beautiful piece of machinery. German engineering. There it is right there. Needs a bath, but that's okay. Look at the width on those tires. It's crazy. And there's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it. They had valves, vacuum actuated valves. We took them off. There they are. Tiny mufflers, but they make a big difference in sound. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Already sounds better. Sound decibels? Oh my God. Right at 121. Hey. Whew. I gotta step back. Again? Wow. Yeah, it's 121 on the sound decibels. You guys gotta hear it in person. It's crazy. Hi, neighbors. Hey, I was here first. They can deal with it.
That is true.
I didn't tell them to build apartments.
I forgot about that.
That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW M6. Twin turbo. Ready for the road. Now it sounds good. It was too quiet before. Perfection. I love it. See you guys.